This is lesson 3, day 1, solving for unknown angles using equations. Two lines meet at a point in a complete sentence. Describe the relevant angle relationships in the diagram. Find the values of r, s, and t. Well, the first relevant relationship is angle, r, degrees, and angle 25 degrees, r, angles on a line, and add up to 180 degrees. Then angle S, degrees, and angle 25 degrees are vertical angles, and equal each other. And last, angle T, degrees, and angle 25 degrees are angles on a line and add up to 180 degrees. Now remember, you always want to use what they give you first, so that in case you make a mistake, it doesn't follow along. So now to find the values of each of these, okay, we have r plus 25 equals 180 degrees. So subtracting 25 from both sides, we have r equals 155 degrees. Next, we have, since S and 25 are vertical angles, we can say S equals 25 degrees. And last, we have T plus 25 equals 180 degrees. So if you subtract 25 from both sides, T equals 155 degrees. Our next example we have angle 28 degrees, angle 16 degrees, and angle R degrees are vertical angles and equal each other. And I'm sorry, I should have read the question. Two lines meet at a point that is also the end point of a ray. In a complete sentence, describe the relevant angle relationships in the diagram. Set up and solve an equation to find the value of P and R. Next, angle 28 degrees, angle 16 degrees, and angle P degrees are angles on a line and add up to 180 degrees. So to set both of these up, we have 28 plus 16 equals R. Adding these two together, we get 44 degrees equals R. For P, we have 28 plus 16 plus P equals 180 degrees. Adding these two together, we get 44 plus P equals 180. Subtract 44 from each side, and we get P equals 136 degrees. Next. We have three lines that meet at a point. In a complete sentence, describe the relevant angle relationship in the diagram. Set up and solve an equation to find the value of A. Well, we have angle A, angle 144 degrees, and angle A degrees are angles on a line and add up to 180 degrees. So now we have A plus 144 plus A equals 180. So from here, we've got 2A by combining our like terms, plus 144 equals 180. Subtracting 144 from each side, we have 2A equaling 36. Divide both sides by 2. We have A equals 18 degrees. This next one, you have right here, it creates angles on a line. And we have to use this, which is our 90 degrees. Okay? So here we have three lines meet at a point. In a complete sentence, describe the relevant angle relationships in the diagram. Set up and solve an equation to find the value of Z. So we have angle 19, angle 90 degrees on both, and angle Z degrees are angles on a line and add up to 180 degrees. So now we have 19 plus 90 plus Z equals 180 degrees. So adding this, we have 109 plus Z equals 180. So subtracting 109 from both sides, we have Z equals 71 degrees. Oh, sorry guys. I didn't even realize that it wasn't there. Okay, so again, here is your sentence right here, your setup, and your solve. Okay, next. And our last one for right now And here I'm going to show you with a marker. We have 3 lines that meet at a point. We have angle AOF equaling 144 degrees. In a complete sentence, describe the relevant angle relationships in the diagram, set up and solve an equation to determine the value of C. Now you want to be careful because if you notice, there's nothing here and there's nothing here. So you want to look and see what can help you. So we've got this right here. So if you notice, it says AOB or AOF, which is this right here. So we want to see what can help us. So if you notice, we need to solve for C, but if you notice this right here, we have that 90 degrees plus this right here, which is C. So we actually have vertical angles. So I have angle AOF and angle EOB are vertical angles. And equal each other. So now to find the value of C, we have C plus 90 degrees equals 144. So now if I subtract 90 from both sides, I have C equaling 54 degrees. And that ends our lesson.